I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start the transfer now. On both consoles, go to System Settings, right arrow Users, right arrow Transfer your user and save data. Make sure both devices are powered and online. This lets the consoles discover each other. Once they appear, choose the source console first and confirm the user you want to move. Do this because transferring the user preserves local save files and account settings. Cloud saves alone won't move local-only data. Once done with selection, follow the on-screen prompts to pair consoles. You'll confirm a source and a destination and verify with codes. Make sure to select the specific user profile and any attached save data. If you have multiple users, repeat the steps for each one. Keep both consoles awake and connected because interrupting the process can corrupt a transfer. This method actually moves the user and local saves, so you'll preserve progress exactly as it was. When the transfer finishes, you'll see a confirmation. Boot a moved game immediately to verify your save is intact. Make sure digital purchases are re-downloaded on the new console and controllers are paired. User data moved, but game licenses follow the account. If something goes wrong, first check both consoles are updated, on the same Wi-Fi, and logged into the correct Nintendo account. Also ensure sufficient storage. If problems persist, retry the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.